East San Jose, 1958. A teacher poisoned herself and 13 kids in her schoolhouse on San Felipe Road. The bodies were sealed in a black truck and sent to a graveyard. The truck and all the bodies disappeared. Legends say the teacher still drives the phantom truck, hunting for children. Here on San Felipe Road, drivers vanish without a trace. They say a phantom truck stalks the darkness. If you see his lights in the mirror, you'll never be seen again. Oh shit! What the fuck?
What happened?
I don't know.
Man, why you even trying to think this shit, dude?
What the fuck? I don't know what's happening. What's happening? Your car? What happened? No! Yes! Yes! Damn, that was close!
Yeah, man.
Oh my god, I can't believe we saw the phantom truck!
Yeah,
oh my god!
Trump and that.
What the fuck? No! Your car! No! What the fuck? No! Fuck it, I'm killing this guy!
No, don't kill that guy, brother. I get shit out my ass and kill him. I killed him. He's fucking no. Oh god, I got shot. He's going to the hospital. I don't know what I'm doing.
Pinche chinos, güey! ¡No nos quise ayudar! ¡Ah!